It is a constructive session for markets globally, with equities leading the charge. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your India market briefing for June 19th. We cover the Nifty 50, Sensex, Bank Nifty, and the stocks dominating headlines today. Let us start with a snapshot of the Indian equity markets today. Starting with the Nifty 50, India's benchmark large-cap index. Nifty 50 edged higher plus 0.75% to 24,168 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that stocks market today, Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ rally amid Iran deal optimism as RE chip trade reignites, Yahoo Finance. With Nifty 50 moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $24,772 level above and $23,564 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. The Sensex, tracking India's 30 largest blue-chip companies. Sensex is trading higher by plus 0.78%, at 77,410 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that stocks market today, Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ rally amid Iran deal optimism as RE chip trade reignites, Yahoo Finance. The Bank Nifty, India's banking sector barometer, is closely watched by traders as a leading indicator for the broader market. Bank Nifty edged higher plus 1.16% to 57,964 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that how the US-Iran deal could affect oil prices, Goldman Sachs. The near-term technical picture for Bank Nifty looks constructive. Watch the $60,282 level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. Now let us look at the stocks making headlines in India today. SBI is up plus 1.10%, trading at 1,026.50 Indian rupees. Return on equity improvement, now approaching 15%, is the re-rating story that has driven the stock higher. Government infrastructure capex lending is a low-risk, high-volume growth engine. Any NPA reversal or write-back announcement would be a positive. Infosys is up plus 1.23%, trading at 1,157.70 Indian rupees. The annual revenue guidance range is the single most important event. Any upgrade above the current midpoint is a catalyst for the entire IT sector. Cobalt AI platform deal wins are the differentiation story. Watch the large deal TCV and the revenue conversion timeline. TCS is trading higher by plus 0.20%, at 2,203.30 Indian rupees. The 26 to 28% EBIT margin band has been consistently delivered. The market wants to see whether AI-driven productivity allows margin expansion beyond the upper end of that range. Attrition stabilization is a positive signal on demand confidence. AI services deal conversions are the emerging growth driver. Now let us look at the macro backdrop for Indian markets. The rupee is strengthening against the dollar, trading at 94.32. A softer rupee compresses margins for import-heavy sectors like oil, consumer goods, and airlines, while IT exporters like TCS and Infosys benefit. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500 closes higher, NASDAQ climbs nearly 2% as chips fuel comeback from Fed sell-off, live updates. Foreign institutional investor flows are the near-term swing factor. Any risk-off in global markets tends to amplify selling pressure on Indian indices given the high FII ownership in Nifty 50 constituents. The biggest mover in India today is Infosys. Infosys is up plus 1.23%, trading at 1,157.70 Indian rupees. Operating margin trajectory toward the 19 to 21% target is back on track. The risk is North America financial services softness. Any new large deal announcement, particularly in European manufacturing, would be a meaningful catalyst given the diversification it signals. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Thousands of investors rely on our daily briefings to cut through the noise. If you are finding value here, please like this video and subscribe. It directly helps us keep producing this content every day. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the sharpest takes in future videos. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your India market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of Indian and global markets.